And here is your Wagyu steak with fried eggs and fried rice. This is the best for your breakfast. So always remember to feast like a Doña and cook with Doña Elena. Sarap po, papasipa ka. Sarap po. Sarap. Sarap. Hi, I'm Richard Gomez and welcome to Goma At Home. For today's menu, we are preparing something like breakfast food, pero pwede na siyang for lunch. You can eat this at any time of the day. We're preparing steak, fried rice, and eggs. Okay? I was able to order a ribeye cap. This is an Australian Wagyu beef. No? The ribeye cap is the top part of the ribeye. It's really soft. I like it better than the ribeye. And then we have rice and eggs. So what we'll do is we'll heat our skillet and we'll fry our eggs using Doña Elena Pomace olive oil. Okay? Yeah. We'll deep fry it a little. Okay? And isasabihin natin. Okay? So here we go. Not too much oil. That's good. Should be good now. Okay? And then we'll put some butter in our oil. Okay? The reason why we blend the butter and oil para hindi rin masunog yung butter. The pomace plus the butter will give a superb flavor to our Wagyu steak. Kung saan natin prinito yung steak natin, doon din tayo gagawa ng ating fried rice. Wow! Goody! Okay? We'll fry a few eggs. 2 or 3 depending kung anong magustuhan natin. Yun. Ganun lang, no? So while we're cooking our eggs, we're heating up our skillet for the steak. Yan, mainit na siya. The reason why we use Pomace olive oil is because it can withstand high temperatures. No? So yun yung maganda. Itong Pomace olive oil is really good for frying. No? Yan, no? So itong eggs natin, tatabi ko lang muna siya dito. So steak's hot. I'll boost up the heat. And then, i-ready ko lang yung butter natin. Don't be afraid to use butter because some people may think that butter is fat, but butter is good fat. Okay, good. 2 chunks of butter there. One more. Malaking steak kasi natin. Okay, good. And then mix yan, ha? Babagsak na natin yung steak natin. Laki ang kapal, oh. You see? It's really good quality beef. Oh. It's Wagyu. Yung fat niya. Kami yung fat niya. Ganda. Okay? So give it around mga 2 minutes on each side. And then you check kung cook na siya. So I'll put some garlic there. Just like that. To give our steak extra flavor. Very good flavor. You can put our rosemary. Namaya ko na siya isi-season. Nice. Yun na. I'll season our steak once inikot ko na siya. Okay? Some people say, "Uy, hindi niya sinison yung steak." Kalimutan. Hindi. Yan talaga. People cook food differently. Not everybody cooks it the same way. Okay? We'll check kung maganda na ba yung brownie niya. Yan, no? So I'll cook it some more. Put up the heat. Nice. Ganda, oh. I'll get ready with our salt and pepper. Beautiful. Okay. So you can see, makapal tong steak natin. 2 minutes on each side. And then I'll put an additional minute on each side just to cook it well. Pumasok pa ng konti yung heat. Nice. Put lots of Pepper. Pepper is good. I was reading an article, and it says one of the best foods that you can really eat that's anti-inflammatory, and they say is beef. Okay, lower the heat para di masyado masunog yung garlic natin. Okay, there, yun yung rosemary natin. We can baste this. I'll do the basting once I turn this, no? That's why nga hindi ko hinalagyan kagad na ng salt and pepper, kasi when you cook it in oil, when you baste it, nagra-run off lang yun, nagra-run off yung salt and pepper. Okay? You turn it. Nice. There you go. Beauty. So we'll baste this before I put my salt and pepper. Piniluto ko sa maraming Pomace olive oil and butter. Kasi malaki yung piece ng steak natin today. Yeah, nice, oh. So we'll make it brown on the outside, but this will be very warm on the inside. So it will be reddish to pink on the inside there. Okay? So sometimes magtatanong sila, how will you know kung luto na yung steak mo? Pag matagal ka na nagluluto ng steak, by feel lang ganun, may feel mo siya. So you know that this is properly crusted, but the inside will be red. Yan. Nice, oh. To give it more flavor from your garlic and rosemary. Yan. Yan. Nice. Beautiful. Gandang crusting nito. That's 1 minute on that side. I'll turn this off. Ikot natin siya ulit. Tignan natin kung maganda na yung crusting na. Ganda. So I'll leave it there for a while. So, beautiful browning. Beautiful crusting. No? Then when you slice it later, makita nyo, it's medium rare. So what I'll do now, I'll take this all out. No? And then babawasan natin ng konti yung babawasan natin yung oil natin. Kasi ito lang yung gagamitin natin na rice. The nice thing about this oil is that it is already infused with flavors. So masarap na talaga to. Tayo. Nice. Yan. So all those naiwan doon, yung mga grano-grano doon yun, no? Sarap sa rice na, no? So yung pa ng konting garlic. Okay. Should be good enough, no? Tabi ko na siya. Yeah, I'll turn up the heat. Okay. We'll be ready for our fried rice. Remember this Pomace Doña Elena olive oil that we're using, no? And then lagyan natin siya ng garlic. Yun. Depends on how much garlic you want. Pwede mo dagdagan, pwede mo bawasan. It depends on you. Okay? Nice. Then we'll put in the rice. Yun lang. I'll take this out. Sarap nito, oh. Yan, oh. So, be careful lang with your salt. Remember, nilagyan natin ng salt yung steak kanina. And binaste natin. So, maraming salt dun sa oil niya kanina. Okay? So, you check first kung salty na siya before you add salt. Yan. Okay, nice. Good. So, since malaki yung steak natin, I want to put more rice so that more people can enjoy this fried rice and steak, no? Maaga tayong simula, yun. So, breakfast talaga to. Ha? Tara, yan. Let's mix this. Mix it. Good. Lagyan ng konting soy sauce. Just a little soy sauce to give it a little more flavor. Beauty. Yan lang. Konti lang. Just a touch of soy sauce. Continue mixing it. Nice, no? Ganda. Okay. Turn off the heat. Hindi yung residual heat lang niya magtutuloy ng luto niya. Leave it there. Yan, ganda oh. Taste natin siya. Kung kailangan malagyan ng ano, kailangan malagyan ng salt. I'll put in some pepper first. Although may pepper na ito from the steak kanina. Good. Okay. A little salt. Okay. Kasi nagtaka kayo na, ba't ang taas na kami sa salt? Para nakikita ko kung gaano karami nahuhulog. One more mix. And we are ready to serve. Here you go. So now, we are going to slice our steak. Ito. Remember that? That's all flavor. You can just drop it in your rice. Sarap kaya yan. Remember this, ladies and gentlemen, ha? Especially when you order a good cut of steak, please do not serve it well done. Huwag niyo sayangin. Huh? Let's cut across the grain. Yan. Medium rare steak coming up. Good crust. Oh, nice. Nice. Beautiful. See that? Yan, magandang cut ng steak. Magandang luto ng steak. Ah, nice. See that? Beautiful. This is the way I want my steak, medium rare. Yeah, kasi Wagyu. So you want it that way. Beautiful. It's been rested. Yan. Okay. Let's cut it. Let's try it. Sarap, magpapasipa ka. Sarap. 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 Ang laki na kinain ko. And it's so fat. It's really good. Okay? And here is your Wagyu steak with fried eggs and fried rice. This is the best for your breakfast. Wow, this looks so good. Okay, breakfast, here we come. Yan. I don't want that. Gusto ko yung ito. Perfect. Big chunk of steak. Rice. Naku. Sarap. Sarap. Yung garlic, yung soy sauce, you can really taste it. The rosemary. Sarap pa na ng itlog. Kaya? Masaya in the morning. Wow. Here. This is really good. Champion. Wow. Masarap na steak, oh. Every time you bite into it, na-feel mo yung fat ng Wagyu steak. Wow. Sarap. So always remember to feast like a Doña and cook with Doña Elena. Okay? So please like, share, subscribe, and press on the notification bell para alam nyo kapag mayroon tayong bagong video na palabas. Again, do this in your own kitchen, share it with your friends, and enjoy it with your family. I'll see you again next time right here in Goma At Home. Bye guys.